Hi, great people of YouTube, great, wonderful subscribers. So, I've been trying to do these kind of down dirty fast kind of snack things that are much better than just like microwaving something. So I wanted to show you something that I kind of ran into by accident because I was making something else and I had some leftovers, and make a long story short, so I'm going to do these really cool chicken tender cordon bleu, okay? You know, you might not have all the ingredients, but you probably have most of them, so you can probably make do somehow if need be, but I'm just going to show you the official way to make it. So first of all, I got chicken tender in the oven, okay? So what's the first thing we need? Well, so you should use a mustard like a Dijon, and I do prefer Grey Poupon. I've tried other ones and they just don't turn out as well. And so I've got a little bit of mayonnaise, just a big spoonful, because I'm just making one. Actually, what I'm making is a mess here, okay? And I just want to change the color and the taste of the mayonnaise that's in there. I'm going to have a bigger mess if I don't wipe this up. Okay. So, all I'm going to do is mix a little in. Pretty simple. And you can do this ahead of time, right? This is the important part. It's mayonnaise and it's got that little zing, and there's just something about Dijon mustard. I think it's like really the bomb. It's not as vinegary, you know, and I think it's because they use the white wine from the county of Dijon in France, which is actually, they make this really great wine over there. But anyway, so this is going to go into the Frigidator, let it set up, and I got about 20 seconds left, so I guess I better go get my chicken tender. This is a big one. Alright, so get your asbestos fingers on, or you can stick a fork in it, whatever. So I'm just going to move it aside. So here's the thing. What is in chicken cordon bleu? Well, you should have some really good ham. So I'm just going to overlap some ham just to make it big enough for my piece of chicken. And Swiss cheese. So I'm going to kind of tear up my cheese here. Looks like someone took a bite out of this piece, but I'm not going to point fingers right now. Alright, so I just want to get this in here. So this is going to go in the oven. It's going to take about a minute or two just to get the cheese melted. I want to get that ham warm, and I'll be back to show you how we're going to make this great meal. Alright, so I got about 15 seconds left, so let's do this. So I got my little dish, I got my little hot dog bun. Anything will work, trust me. We're not even looking for that artesian bread, you know. This is just stuff I keep in the freezer and I got it thawed. So I just want to get some of this. Oh yeah. Beautiful. So, to die for, really, it's to die for. Alright, so because it's a sandwich, I gotta make it a little different, okay? So I had some really good beefsteak tomato and I cut a nice chunky piece, okay? Just to throw in there, just to add some nice stuff to it. A little acid, a little coolness. Let me get the tender. So I got this monster thing here, right? Let's see if I can do this without burning myself. I'm trying to set a good example by not burning myself, but sometimes I just have to. And I can edit it if I do so you don't hear the screaming. Alright. Oh. This thing's killer, right? I don't need that. Alright, so now you're thinking that you got something really good, right? This is like all you need in life. Almost. So I get these pickles from the refrigerator section. I'm just gonna shove them inside here. I'm just gonna make beautiful stuff with this. Yeah, just put it right under there. So now do you understand how you can take something really simple, maybe some leftovers, and you can just do something really fun with it. Like I said, I want to do something kind of down dirty, quick, easy. I'm really drooling because I need to take a bite of this, but I have to take a picture before I do. So anyway, I hope these things are helpful. I know that a lot of the sauces I use can be like, there's a lot of like ranch dressing kind of stuff. I do make that yellow mustard, which I'll link to it, which is really good. It's honey. It's almost honey mustard. I hate saying it is. It's like a South Carolina mustard that I actually make myself. And you know, salsa and stuff. And I'm just like, this is a more basic. This is kind of a mellow, tuned down kind of thing, and it's just something really different and really great. So I hope you try it. Hope you enjoy it. Keep commenting. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you next time.